Seniors over 60. Did you know that a simple ingredient sitting in almost every kitchen cabinet can help boost circulation, improve blood pressure, and even support intimacy? It's not a supplement, not a medication, it's baking soda. That's right. When used properly, baking soda can gently alkalize the body, improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and support the very systems that keep you energized, mobile, and intimate, even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. In today's video, you'll learn. Before we dive in, leave a comment below. Have you ever tried baking soda for health before? If so, what did you use it for? We read and reply to every single comment. Let's begin. Part 1. Why circulation declines. After 60, many seniors experience. What do all these symptoms have in common? Poor circulation. As we age, blood vessels naturally harden, arteries stiffen, and the tiny capillaries that deliver blood to organs, muscles, and yes, sexual organs, don't work like they used to. Now, here's the good news. Science has shown that baking soda, yes, the same stuff you use to clean your sink, can help support vascular health and improve blood flow in a completely natural way. Part 2. What baking soda does in the body. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, a naturally occurring compound that helps your body. When your body becomes too acidic, which is common with aging, stress, poor diet, and medications, your circulation suffers, your blood vessels tighten, your oxygen flow drops, and inflammation increases. But when taken in small, safe amounts, baking soda acts as a gentle alkalizer, helping your body rebalance and promoting better blood flow. Science Spotlight. A groundbreaking 2018 study published in the Journal of Immunology found that oral baking soda intake helped reduce inflammation in the spleen, kidneys, and arteries, and improved circulation markers in just 2 weeks. Researchers observed increased nitric oxide levels, which are essential for relaxing blood vessels, a key factor in healthy erections and sexual responsiveness. Yes, that means baking soda can support intimacy by improving the body's ability to send blood where it's needed, when it's needed. Part 3. How circulation impacts intimacy after 60. Let's talk frankly for a moment. Many seniors, both men and women, experience a decline in sexual function after 60 due to, for men, that might mean weaker erections or difficulty maintaining them. For women, it could mean dryness, reduced sensation, or longer time to arousal. Here's where baking soda can play a surprising role. By supporting, you're giving your body the tools it needs to improve blood flow naturally, without jumping straight to prescription meds. It's not a magic pill, but it's a supportive ally for restoring intimacy, especially when used consistently and combined with light movement, hydration, and healthy nutrition. Part 4. How to take baking soda safely. Important. You must use baking soda carefully and properly, especially over 60. Too much can affect your sodium levels or stomach lining. Here's the safe and science-backed method. Nighttime baking soda. Drink for circulation. Ingredients. Instructions. Frequency. Pro tips. Bonus method. Baking soda. Circulation. Bath. Don't want to drink it? You can still get benefits through the skin. Try this soothing circulation bath. Ingredients. Soak for 20 to 30 minutes too. Perfect before bedtime for seniors seeking improved intimacy and pain-free sleep. Part 5. Who should avoid this? While baking soda is generally safe, it's not for everyone. Avoid using it internally if you, as always, check with your healthcare provider before starting any new health practice, especially if you're on medication. Part 6. How fast will you feel results? Results vary, but here's a general timeline. Consistency is key. Baking soda isn't a miracle, but it's a gentle, natural support system that helps your body function like it used to. Part 7. The bigger picture. Here's what most seniors don't realize. Intimacy isn't just about hormones. It's about blood flow, oxygen, circulation, and confidence. And sometimes the answer doesn't come from a pharmacy. It comes from simple, overlooked remedies that help your body return to balance. Baking soda, used wisely, is one of them. Final thought and call to action. So seniors, now you know. That little orange box in your cupboard might just be the secret to better circulation, stronger energy, and restored connection in your golden years. Tell us in the comments. Have you tried baking soda for circulation or sleep? What did you notice? And if you found this video helpful, Tap like. Hit subscriber, ring the bell for more science-backed senior health tips every single week.